Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. In order to do that, head over to getstarted.tiktok.com, which is this website right here. Then click on this join now that you can see on your screen. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new tab right here wherein you can actually sign up for your TikTok for Business affiliate program. Click on this sign up right here, and then you can see this TikTok for Business Global contact terms. So from in there, just head over and then read the terms that they have for you. So you can see this payout details and the like right here. So just head over and then read it. And then once you have read it, head over and accept this right here. Once you have accepted this, you can head over and then just start earning by heading over and then creating your account. Or if you already have an account, just head over and then sign it up. So for me, I'll head over and use Google for this case. And then I'll choose my Google account right here in order to connect it to this one. Now from in there, let's just wait for this. And then you should be able to see in here your actual sign up. So just fill up all of this information right here. Now, once you have done all of this, you should be able to join the TikTok Shop affiliate for business. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thank